Good morning. It's December 16, 2022. Let me go right to the chilly, cold charts. So what we're watching are the temperature anomalies over the coming 7 to 14 days. Now, average high temperatures this time of year in the lower 40s. Average low temperatures are in the upper 20s to lower 30s. The blue colors represent below average anomalies. The red colors represent above average anomalies. Watch what happens as we move through the coming days. We'll stop here Saturday. You see blue over much of the country. That's a colder air mass that's advancing into the nation compared to what we've had over the last few weeks. As we move into next week, watch to our northwest. This is the bona fide Arctic air that will pour into the country. Just a matter of when. Some of the data shows Tuesday night and Wednesday, other data shows Wednesday night and Thursday. Either way, it's going to get cold and it's going to stay cold. It's going to stay cold today all the way into next weekend. We watch, we move forward in time. We'll stop here on Friday and we move into Saturday. And we see plenty of cold air across our region. High temperatures on some of these days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday of next week into the following week, could remain in the 20s, even teens possible. Overnight lows in the single digits and teens. If we have some snow on the ground, then some counties will go below zero. Not sure about the snow just yet, but the cold is a lock. It is going to be cold, and bitterly cold wind chills as well. Wind chill is what matters to your skin. That is what impacts skin. So you'll want to protect yourself against frostbite. Children who are playing outside will need to wear mittens and gloves and scarves, headwear to protect themselves against the cold air. Wind chill values as we move into Wednesday night, Thursday, into Christmas weekend will dip below zero at times with strong and gusty winds. Now the big question has been precipitation. Will it, won't it? Could we have some snow? The answer is yes. It is possible that we have some snow, but it's not a lot. There's a lot of moving parts to the forecast over the coming days. We do have a chance of snow flurries today and tonight and tomorrow over northern portions of Southern Illinois and northwest Kentucky, say Mount Vernon to Owensboro, that area. Perhaps a few flurries on and off with clouds. Sunshine over the rest of the region. It's spotty clouds, but for the most part dry. As we move into Monday, we look to the west. The GFS model has been tracking this system fairly well. Just a matter of how strong will it be. But for the most part, this open wave comes across the region and weakens. Perhaps some scattered light rain showers, light snow showers, Monday afternoon into Monday night. But for now, this doesn't appear to be a big deal. We will watch it just in case it's a bit stronger than forecast. That is possible. So we need to keep a close eye on it. The next system dives in from the northwest. This is the one that brings the bitterly cold air. Look at this 1050 millibar high over South Dakota next Thursday. That was bitterly cold air. Maybe some snow. These black lines are isobars, equal lines of pressure, tightly packed together. That means gusty winds Thursday and Friday next week with the cold air. Again, that pushes our wind chill values below zero. This could be accumulating snow event, but it's not a lock. Other models show very little happening. The GFS from time to time shows a much larger system. We're going to have to watch trends in the data to see how that one plays out. And then another Clipper type system around Christmas Day keeps showing up on the GFS model. Again, bitterly cold air with this high pressure moving in from Canada. Tightly packed isobars on Christmas Day to our northwest pushing into our region could mean gusty winds as well. Bottom line is it's going to be cold today all the way through next weekend into part of the following week. A few snow systems to watch. The Monday afternoon into Monday night one, another one Wednesday night, Thursday, and another one around Christmas Day. We could have a white Christmas, but it's not a guarantee. Anyone promising you snow for Christmas Day is throwing darts. It's just too soon to know. Let me show you why it's so difficult to forecast these winter storms. Let me take you out to the North American view and show you the 500 millibar VORT map. Now these VORTs, upper level disturbances, short waves that move through this jet stream flow is what causes our weather. So look up here, well northwest of Alaska. We're going to watch this very small disturbance move into the Pacific Northwest and eventually into our region. We'll track it here over the coming days. And we'll stop here. We start to see this energy, as you may, move into the northern portions of the United States and then dive southeast. As that energy moves into our region, it deepens into an area of low pressure on some of the data, and that's what could bring our snow chances around next Thursday. So as you can see, as I back this up, when we watch this disturbance, keep backing up. There it is on Tuesday. Keep backing up. And you can see it gets mixed in here with a couple of disturbances, but right in here is the system we're watching. So this is why it's so tricky to forecast snow days in advance. If this system is 30, 40, 50 miles north or south, it changes our forecast. It changes the dynamics of the system. Maybe it phases with a southern jet stream with another disturbance. Maybe it doesn't. Too soon to know. When we're watching these little systems that far in advance, these small details matter. It's nearly impossible to forecast with detailed snow that far in advance. We can kind of give you a general idea of what might happen, but to give you specifics is just not possible. Monitor updates, I'm on top of it. I'm watching the model trends and the guidance, and I'll be watching it over the coming days and updating accordingly. For now, prepare for cold weather, protect your pipes, think about your outdoor animals, livestock, and also think about exposed skin when we get these below zero wind chills and single digit temperatures into the teens. Not the best weather to be outside. Just two quick notes. If you haven't subscribed to Weather Talk, do that at weathertalk.com. And also YouTube compresses the video when I first upload it. So sometimes it takes longer for the higher resolution version of this video to show up on YouTube, usually about 30 minutes. So if the resolution is low, that's why. Wait a little bit and the resolution will be better.